guys, how's it going, and welcome back. So we've got an RC unboxing for you guys. This came in from GeekBuying. They sent in for me to check out and do a review on for you guys. So let's see what we got. Alright, got extra foam now for other projects. So we have a JJRC Sejanus. I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it. There is a model number for this, which will be in the description of the video, don't worry. If it is listed. Yeah, there we go. JJRC H39WH720P. So this is a foldable quadcopter with camera on it, which is kind of cool. I've been seeing the foldables come out. Some of them seem to be pretty good. And I've done a bit of research even on this one, and it looks to be pretty neat. So let's take a look. Oh, there we go. All the stuff's coming out. So we've got a package here with some spare props. You get 2 props. Looks like our charger, screwdriver, some extra screws, and of course the landing gear. Cool. And let's take a quick look at the manual here. Actually don't have my reading glasses on. I think they were. Oh yeah, they are here. There we go. Get rid of these things. Okay. So let's just take a quick look at this. Tells you what's in the box. Yep, everything's there. Indoor spaces. Stay away from barriers, crowds, or pets are preferred. I'm not sure if I want to fly that indoors unless it's in a gymnasium. Keep it out of the rain, thunderstorms, high winds, apparently. English instructions are actually quite good on this. It's a very nicely done manual. And this one, you actually can attach your phone to this for the it's for the Wi-Fi section of the camera, or you can actually fly this thing off of your phone, which is quite nice too. So we've got a little camera here, and a little antenna sticking out. So I'm guessing our video is probably going to end up going straight to the phone to save on your phone. And we've got the quad. The radio with instructions tells you 1 key start, flight rotation fine tuning, 1 key descend, left rotation tuning, indicator light, forward fine tuning, right sideward fine tuning, power for the radio, backward fine tuning, and left side. So left, right, pretty basic stuff. Self-centering stick. This thing actually apparently has altitude hold on it as well. It's kind of neat. And we've got prop guards. So that's all of our pieces there. Let's open this up. So our screws are going to be for holding down our prop guards. Put that aside. And looks like that is our battery. This is a 2-cell 600 milliamp, and it is a proprietary battery. So you're going to want to order extra batteries for extended flight times while you're out playing. Otherwise you're going to be sitting there letting it recharge for a while. And it is USB charger, which is kind of nice because pretty much everybody has a USB charge port of some sort in their car nowadays, or you know, those little battery pack charger things you can haul around with you. So now there is an app you have to download for this, and apparently for Apple or Android, I if I remember right. Show rolls 3D. Okay, so this is going over flying off of the radio. More settings, gravity sensor control, video. Okay, well, we'll go over that. We'll try flying this with the phone too, see what happens. So, this is our front side. There, yeah. Well, I'll say this, the landing gear does go in there rather snug, so you don't have to worry about that flying off on you. You have to push it inside to side, but alright, that's in. So we've got a release button from the looks of things. Oh, that's for the camera. Just pop the little button down to release the battery. And our camera. Slides right in like so. Pins are the closest, so they screw right in like that. Tedious to get that connector in there, but there we go. And you can angle the camera too, full flat out on the horizontal plane, and that's as far as it goes. Where you got two other stages to go down. So that's all right. That's not too bad. Now, as far as these go. Fold the arms out, and they just click and lock into place. So when you want to close the arms, just pop them in, push the button. There is an order to do this in. There we go. That's kind of cool. Now these are not brushless motors, by the way. They look like brushless motors, but they're actually kind of fake. They are brushed. Wow. I think that's the best gear mesh I've seen JJRC come out with yet. That is really nice. That's good. And it looks like you've got replaceable plastic pinions to plastic spurs. That's alright, it's not too bad. Cool. So, I guess the next thing we'll have to do is get the rest of this thing assembled after we figure out how they have this being done. Right up here. Pop them into the holes here. And there's going to be one screw for each. Now I am going to put the prop guards on this thing, only because it is winter here in Canada, and but either way, I still rather have the prop guards, just in case we do have a crash, which hopefully we do not. But so far, guys, I got to tell you, I'm liking this thing. I will be doing a separate video for the actual flight and review section, so I'm not giving you any kind of answers yet, other than it's a cool looking quad. I like the design factor. The foldable arms are really neat. I'm not too fussy on proprietary batteries, but you know, it is a design thing that it can work, because it also helps you to not mix your batteries up with your other quads. So there is a good point to the proprietary battery setup. And then you got your balance connector here for charging. So fully assembled, without putting the screws in yet, I think that looks pretty neat. And it's got like a little fake GPS thing on top. So that's all right. Now, big question: how do these things fold up when the prop guards are on? There we go. That's actually not bad either. Even with the prop guards in place, it doesn't take up a lot of space, which is good, because yeah, I got to rearrange some shelf space as it is, because I got some quads that are taking up some space, but this will actually slide right in just about anywhere, which is kind of nice. And you can pull the landing gear off too if you want, you know, to save space if you're, you know, going in the car or whatever and you don't want to leave the landing gear on. But even for push-in landing gear, they appear to be fairly stable, you know. They're it's kind of nice, so you don't have to put a bunch of screws in, and you know, that's nice. I like that. So that's where we're at so far with this thing. Like I said, stay tuned for the actual flight review on this thing, and we'll give you our total thing, and we'll shoot some footage too, and with the camera, and see how that goes. Now the big question is this going to fit my phone really good? So we need this direction. Oh yeah. Now I've got an iPhone 6, so it's a good size phone compared to the 5S I used to have. And my wife still has a 5S, but that'll still stretch actually a little further too. Yeah, you get almost another inch there too, so you could fit a rather large size phone in this thing. That's not too bad. I like that. And yeah, this is the side, I believe. Yeah, this is the side, I think, for the batteries. So we're going to have to take that screw out, put some batteries in her, charge this thing up, and we'll have a flight and see how things go. So far, things are looking pretty good, I think, you know. So thanks for watching and checking this out, and thanks to GeekBuying for sending me this to check out for them. And we will see you guys on the maiden flight and full review of this thing. Thanks for watching.